Access. It's also important to be sure that you can actually get access to the resources you've decided on. In some cases, a single username and password will get you access to your library's subject guides and all library-supported databases. In other cases, you may need different login information for different resources. It's a good idea to talk to your librarian about how best to access your library's resources from both in and outside of the library building, as there are different procedures. Some resources are freely accessible from anywhere, with no login required. Some are accessible from outside the library or remotely, but you need a username and password to use them. And some resources may only be accessed from a computer on the library network or on-site, meaning that you'll need to make a trip to the library to use them. This isn't a bad thing, and the information you find will often make the trip worthwhile. But knowing this will help you plan how much time and energy each part of your research might take. You should also look at the kind of content the database offers. Some databases provide the full text of every single article that appears as a search result. Other databases do not provide any actual articles, just the citations themselves, along with abstracts or summaries, which can be helpful in deciding if the article has the information you need. For these types of databases, you'll need to talk to your librarian about how to access the articles you find. Many databases provide a mix of full-text articles, abstracts, and citations. Know what your database offers so that you can plan your research accordingly. Ask a librarian. You can always contact your librarian with questions about how to access the library's resources, whether it's finding the full text of a specific article or figuring out what database to start your search with. Their main job is to help connect you with the information you're looking for. Many libraries offer reference assistance by email and live chat. Some are even available 24 hours a day. It's easier than ever to get in touch with an expert who can make your research process shorter and smoother. Next steps. You will complete a few practice activities related to what you've just learned. Then it's on to Lesson 2, Smart Searching Methods. At the end of Module 1, you'll take a quiz.